Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making chocolate ice cream from evaporated milk. This is a very simple recipe and I promise you are going to enjoy it, so stay tuned and let's get started. Ingredients for today's chocolate ice cream include 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, a quarter cup of light brown sugar. We also have half cup of evaporated milk, which we kept in the fridge for about 30 minutes. A tablespoon of vanilla essence. We also use a bowl with the lid for freezing the ice cream, a mixer bowl with the whisk attachment, which we kept in the fridge overnight. As you can see, it's very cold. Then we use our stand mixer and our silicone spatula. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Begin by pouring into the mixer bowl the evaporated milk. Then we add into it the light brown sugar, the cocoa powder, and the vanilla essence. Then we place it into the mixing machine and then we whisk until everything combines evenly. We remove it from the mixing machine and then we pour it into the bowl with the lid. After that is done, we will move on to covering it with the lid and then we freeze it for 6 to 24 hours at most. Before we get into the next aspect, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. And this is how our chocolate ice cream looks like. We are going to serve it into our bowl here with our ice cream scoop. We're going to top it up with some chocolates and then we drizzle it with some honey and then we enjoy. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.